Sage Cooking AI has just been released, and it's shaking up the way we approach meal preparation. In this review, we're diving into the 7 crucial things you need to know about this cutting-edge AI software before you decide if it's right for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what makes Sage Cooking AI stand out and whether it's worth integrating into your kitchen routine. Stick around because I'll also share how you can try it for free from the link below. Sage Cooking AI is more than just a recipe generator. It's designed to be your personal kitchen assistant, making meal planning and cooking simpler and more enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just someone who wants to eat better, this AI tool can guide you through every step of the process, from shopping lists to plating your meals. What makes Sage Cooking AI unique is its ability to understand dietary restrictions, personal preferences, and even the ingredients you have on hand. Gone are the days of finding a recipe you love, only to realize you're missing a key ingredient. The AI adapts to your needs, suggesting recipes based on what you already have in your pantry or fridge. This isn't just convenient, it's a game changer for people who want to cook without the hassle. The software works by analyzing your preferences and offering personalized meal suggestions. You can even tweak the recipes based on portion size, flavor profile, or specific dietary needs. Are you trying to cut carbs, avoid gluten, or go vegan? Sage Cooking AI can filter through thousands of recipes to find exactly what works for you. Another feature I love is the step-by-step guidance it provides while cooking. Unlike many apps that only show you the recipe, Sage Cooking AI talks you through each step, making sure you don't miss any crucial details. This means less stress and fewer mistakes in the kitchen, whether you're making a complicated dish or a simple weeknight dinner. If you're someone who struggles with meal planning or gets stuck in a cooking rut, Sage Cooking AI can be a huge time saver. It's not just about providing recipes, it's about creating a cooking experience that's tailored to you. The AI even suggests a weekly meal plan, giving you a roadmap to follow, which saves you hours every week trying to figure out what to make. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that, like with any new AI technology, it does have a learning curve. It may take a bit of time to get fully accustomed to its interface and all the options it provides. But once you do, it's a smooth and seamless experience. One of the coolest things about Sage Cooking AI is how it evolves. The more you use it, the smarter it gets, learning from your choices to make even better suggestions in the future. It's like having your own personal sous chef who understands exactly what you want and need. Finally, I want to emphasize that you can try Sage Cooking AI completely for free from the first link below. That's right, no commitment, just access to an incredible tool that could completely transform the way you cook. If you've tried other AI software, you'll understand how powerful this one is, but if you're new to this space, this is the perfect introduction to AI cooking assistants. After trying thousands of AI tools myself, I've compiled my recommendations in the description below. Check out the top AI software I found for cooking and other areas, all available for free trials. So, what do you think? Will Sage Cooking AI be your next go-to cooking assistant? Or is it still not quite what you're looking for? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to check out the link for your free trial of Sage Cooking AI.